Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show how to work with zero exponent. So the zero exponent rule says that if you have some number, let's say a to the 0 power equals 1, okay? Now 0 to 0 power equals undefined, but any number and any expression in parentheses would equal to the 0 power equals 1. So let's look at the first problem over here. We have this expression over here raised to the 0 power, so that equals 1, okay? And then over here we have x to the negative 2 to the 0 power. This is 1, but 4 is not raised to the 0 power. 4 is outside the parentheses. For that reason, 4 stays, but this is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4. The next problem would be, notice that 2 is not raised to the 0 power, so we're gonna keep the 2. X to the 0 power, this is 1, so times 1, times, and this whole thing is also to the 0 power, which is 1, it's in parentheses. So 2 times 1 equals 2, okay? Now, if you look at this problem, if you have the same numerator and denominator, you can cancel it because they are exactly the same, so that equals 1. We already know that. And then you have y to the 0 power. We know that anything to 0 power equals 1 except 0. And in denominator, we have y. Only y, there is nothing else. So the answer 1 over y. Okay? So the other way you can look at if you have x to the negative power, negative 2 divided by x to the negative 2, if you use the quotient rule, you would get x minus 2 minus minus 2. Remember quotient rule, you subtract the exponents. So minus 2 minus minus 2, you would get x negative 2 plus 2, which equals x to the 0 power, which equals 1, right? So that's why it equals 1. And also we know numerator and denominator the same equals 1. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions.